Layouts are everywhere in real apps, but most beginners only see simple examples. So let's practice layouts in a way you actually use them. In this class, we'll build an app with multiple layouts: rows, columns, stacks, spacing, alignment, all of it. You will see how Flutter positions widgets the way you expect them to. In this class, you will learn how to use rows, columns, and stack with confidence, apply spacing and alignment the right way, break layouts into reusable pieces, build responsive Flutter screens that don't fall apart on different devices. By the end, layouts will stop feeling confusing and start feeling fun. If you want to actually understand how Flutter UI works and not just copy code, this class is for you. I'm your Flutter Sensei, and in this class, we will build layouts that feel right together. Let's get started.